Hi there and welcome. Today I want to talk to you about an interesting tool. This is the HaloCompact Plus Reflector. It's a tool by Manfrotto. So what is that? It's a reflector, so it receives the light from the sun, bounces it off, and you can shine it on any object. In this case, I'm shining it on my face, battling the fact that my background is very lit. As you can see, the walls are very reflective, they're white, but my face is in the shadow. So let me show you what happens if I remove the reflector from the frame. Just a second. So now I take the reflector away and see what happens. You see, basically my face is now in the shadow, while with the reflector, now my face is stronger lit than the background. If I remove it, then as you can see, I'm back in the shadow. So why is this tool important? It's because, you know, when you shoot a video, actually, the video quality is not much about your camera, your lens or whatever, but it's really about your light and how you use it first and foremost. So having this kind of, yes, you can adjust things in post, but having this kind of light source, you see on my hand how strong it is, really helps you to get the very, very best quality that you're looking for. This is the reflector itself. I know it's a bit big and it's probably shining quite so light in the camera right now. It's a 1 meter reflector, but the cool thing is that it is completely detachable, so you can totally fold it, and it actually falls inside this very, very tiny case. Interesting thing, being this a Manfrotto product, of course it has a 1/4 inch screw. As far as the folding process goes, it's really, really simple. Just remove, you know, the cover. Remove the handle first, and then you have this shape here that just collapses. You will see how small these things become. So this is the folded structure, and as far as the cover goes, you have to fold it. Small bag here. This is the HaloCompact Plus Reflector, the big model. As you can see, it falls into a very, very small bag super fast, and you're ready to deploy it whenever you go, wherever you go. Now, of course, I'm back in the shadow because I folded my reflector. Back with the reflector and I'm shining again. Look how nice I am with this very nice light. I might be a tad bit overexposed because I'm setting the shutter speed to a fixed speed. And maybe I should mount actually one of these ND filter. Let me try 1 second. This is with my reflector. This is the bright side of the reflector, and as you can see now, I'm really on a much higher level of light than my background is because I'm shining a light on me. By the way, why don't you want to use studio light during the day? Because I could also mount a studio light there and shine a light on me so that I can be in a brighter lighting than the background. But the problem is that the studio light is a light artificial one, which might not be matched to the sunlight. So you might have a different color temperature, and then you will have in the scene 2 different color temperatures, which then are quite difficult to color correct. But of course, I mean, you can do it. Also, you need to shine really, really a lot of light because the sun is super bright, so your studio light needs to go even brighter. Then you need ND filter. It gets complicated pretty soon. Why not just take in the sunlight and moving it where you want? This is what the reflector does. That's it for today. As always, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.